writer of this group. Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Nur Farahin binti Zamhuri, a third-year student from School of Educational Studies. I am the editor of this group.
I am Sasleen binti Shahul Hameed, a third-year student from School of Educational Studies. I am the presenter of this group.
Have you all ever heard about magnetic filtration before? Alright, today we will talk about the magnetic filtration. What is magnetic filter? Magnetic filtration, or can be called as magnetic separation, known as a method that removes ion particles from products that are in liquid or slurry form. Also known as a method that can in nearly environment which is ferrous, paramagnetic, and grinding medium contamination issue. The interesting part is when the filters become full, they can be cleaned and reused. Generally, the magnetic filter works with the use of high-intensity filter magnet. And then, the filter magnet will be placed along with the liquid or the slurry part in the desired spot. Any ferrous particles are trapped the magnetic trap when the flow is directed around the magnetic field produced by the high-intensity filter magnets. Moreover, the filter can be removed, the particles washed away, and the filter reused. For your information, the filter may come in the form of a magnetic plug and magnet and so on. So, here's an example of magnetic filters. As you can see, there are 3 compartments which contain contaminated fluid, magnetic filter, and non-magnetic fluid. Okay, next. The figure shows the pattern of flux distribution and the collected dirt. Everything that we use in this world had its pros and cons. So here are some advantages when we use magnetic filters. The first advantage is environmental friendly. The contamination that was collected on the magnetic track will be recycled. The second advantage is minimal running cost. Because self-cleaning magnetic filters only need a small amount of power for cleaning. The next advantage is the magnetic filter does not hinder the productivity. This is because fluid does not flow through any filter media so that the flow is never interrupted. As I said before, every product has its drawbacks. Okay, next, let us see what are the disadvantages of using magnetic filters. The first disadvantage that we found is magnetic filters cannot be used to magnetize transient particles. This might have happened when the particle washed off. These particles will be magnetized while they were attached to a permanent magnet. Besides, the non-magnetic particles remain unchecked. This is because the magnetic separators have little effect on controlling particles that compose of silica, tin, aluminium or bronze. The next disadvantage is when cleaning is required after the magnetic filter is full. It is unlike the conventional filter that will be thrown away after becoming plugged. As we are at the end of the video, I'd like to highlight a few things. We know that magnetic filters are able to remove particles that are smaller than in 1 micron size. Filtration is an essential component of the use in process industries as well as many other liquid-based systems. The process of removing contaminants or impurities from is important to prevent negative consequences from occurring in your products or process. I think that's all from our group. I hope the content of this video will be beneficial and useful. Thank you for watching.